What does that spell? Hey, watch those pom-poms. What's her problem? She thinks she's so fancy, huh? Show me what you got! Oh, bye. I think you girls need a break. And lucky for you, it's lunchtime. But not before a little challenge. What? Yep. Now get in formation. Whoa! How do we get in here? Wow! Wait! Please let me go first. Ugh, fine. Just do what you want. Awesome! Ta-da! Wow, are these cookies? But they're looking a little plain. Hey, think I could use that powdered sugar? This always sweetens things up. I just need a little help here. Stay sleeping, Grandma. I'm just gonna borrow this for a sec. That was smooth. This should work just fine. You can't just pour on sugar willy-nilly. This little trick works every time. Wanna see? Aren't they pretty? Nice! So what? I can do that too, you know. No cookies? Ugh, a little help, please? Oh, look at all these puppets! Not that one. Which one do I pick? Aha! But I still need a little extra help. Now's where the real magic happens. And we've got candy, people! Just look at all those colors! It's just stunning! Wow! Well done, Lexi! Yes! Never underestimate some sprinkles! Let's open these things! Whoa! Usually someone cuts these for me. Of course they do. But this ain't my first rodeo! Where's that sweet spot? Bingo! Let's get chopping! Ha! Hey! Do you mind? I'm all sticky now. I've got other things to worry about. Like eating this juicy bad boy. This thing is perfectly ripe. Ugh. Anyway, let's see here. Yeah! Jeez! Oh, I'm so sorry. Ooh. I ate this piece dry. What do I do with this giant piece? I can't just eat it plain. But wait! My mom packed me lunch today! I can use these as toppings. Sometimes you just gotta think outside the lunchbox. Just pour some yogurt on top. As much as you want. Then spread it all around. Then use your fruit to really make things pop. You can make any design you'd like. Slices will be easier to eat. How do you think of this stuff? Hammer. Two can play this game. Let's smash this watermelon. Ha! Lexi, no! What were you thinking? It worked! Oh, sorry you were in the splash zone. Accept my apology? I guess a little fruit is harmless. You're the winner, Lizzie! Can't buy your way through this one! Hello? Shall we? Ta-da! Is this money? And gold's my favorite color! There! I want another one! And another one! Wow! What can I turn my egg into? I'll just use it the old-fashioned way. For now, we're using the egg whites. A drop is all I need. Perfect! Now do that a couple of times. Almost done! Then put the yolk in the middle. Trust me, this'll turn out awesome. All done! Look at all my eggs, Lexi! Aren't they cute? What? I multiplied my eggs too, see? Hey! I think I have a penny somewhere. Ready? Let's stretch this thing! Alakazam! Boom! Boom! Here! A penny? Thanks. Let's see here. What? Where did all my golden eggs go? This you're not gonna use it. Here. Take as many as you want. Aw, you both win this round, okay? Sharing is caring after all. Wanna open them together? Oh. There's nothing on my plate. This doesn't seem right. Not under here? My treat's gotta be somewhere. Ugh! What? I don't know what to tell ya. Can I manifest 2 of these? Think. Come on! Enough! I got it! First, pour all the yogurt out. You can use a small dish for this. Next, pour in your favorite soda. The fruitier the better. Stir it up so it looks like this. Now you have a bunch of colors. Scoop them in layers back into the yogurt container. Perfect! All the way to the top. Then freeze it with a popsicle stick. Now you've got a frozen treat! Clever, huh? I guess. But I can make myself a treat too. This ought to be enough, right? What? It's a cone, see? It's a little more expensive than yours. I know what I can put in it. Who doesn't love a frosted treat? You know what kind of ice I'm talking about? Now tell me that doesn't look delicious. I'm gonna have to go with Lizzie. Let's see what we're dealing with. Ooh. Lollipops! This thing's puny. You're so picky. Beggars can't be choosers, but we can get creative. I think I can use something in here. Yes! Exactly what I was looking for. And there's just one left. Use scissors to cut the marshmallow into little pieces. Watch those fingers. Those scissors sure are sharp. See this little piece? Carefully toast its edge with a lighter. Before it hardens, stick it to the lollipop like this. And keep going all the way around. So cute! I love it! Check it out! Very nice! A flower? Ugh, what am I supposed to do with this? Oh, I see what you're saying. Help, please. Ooh. Is this better? Ew! Maybe if I don't look right at it. Ugh. What can you do with all this? Now we're talking! It's the biggest lollipop I've ever seen. I'm so gonna win this round. Whoa. What's better than 1 lollipop? 10 of them, obviously! Cool! This one's a no-brainer. Lexi won? Whatever. Think you can get creative with your food? Or would throwing money at the situation be more your style? Let us know, and don't forget to share this with your friends and subscribe!